guys, welcome to my channel. So this is going to be the first clean and decorate with me for fall 2020, and this year I kept it very neutral, very simple. I don't really have a lot going on in the kitchen, but I wanted to show you guys what I decided to do, and I'm super excited for fall. You guys know I love some fall, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. The first thing I'm doing is just putting some dishes in the dishwasher because we had a few left over from breakfast and the night before. The sink, and this is something I always do when I get all the dishes out. I like to use this little scrub brush just to really get it nice and clean, and I ordered this from Amazon. It comes in a set of 3 with like 2 other brushes and some little scrubbers, so I will link that below in case you guys are interested. So once I get the soap in there, I rinse it, and then I like to take some Clorox and pour it down the drain just to make sure that, you know, all the germs and everything are gone. And then I just wipe everything down with a microfiber towel, which is essential for me when cleaning. I use so many of these, I always tell you guys, but I love my microfiber towels. Now moving on to the countertops, I'm going to be clearing some stuff off just so that I can get them really clean and wipe everything down. This is the Caldrea spray that I'm going to be using on the countertops, and their sprays smell so good. It really just makes your entire kitchen just smell really nice and fresh. So I'm just wiping everything down, still using the same microfiber towel. The tea kettle because it kind of gets grimy just from grease and stuff getting on it from cooking. So yeah, I'm gonna clean it really quickly, and I really love this tea kettle because it does have the wood aspects that I've been kind of trying to tie into the kitchen, and I got this from TJ Maxx just in case you guys were wondering. And now that I have these counters clean, I'm gonna move all of this stuff back to its place, and then I'm gonna start cleaning the island.
When you stepped into my life, such a magic feeling when you tore down my walls. I wish I could go back to right before you told me.
And I'm gonna do a kind of different floral arrangement for this, but I wanted to get everything off the counter and just clean it really nice before I added anything to it. You guys might notice that there's just like a random chair in the dining room. So we're getting new furniture and it's just coming in piece by piece. So I wanted to wait till we got it all so that I can set it up in the living room because we're getting a new couch and all of that. So yeah, that's why you just randomly see a chair in there. But I will be doing a full video when we get the furniture because I have made a few changes. You guys will see that we got a new kitchen table and a new little couch in Uriah's area. So you guys will see those new pieces in this video, but now I'm clearing off this countertop because it's kind of the catch-all whenever we bring something into the house. This is just where everything tends to go, so I have to make sure that I'm keeping this counter really nice and clean.
Scars. said we'd get so high, higher up than heaven. We said
So I did
we'd
get
reach
a
the
few new
stars.
fall candles, and this is my main candle cabinet that I pull from daily. So I like to keep whatever season it is, I like to keep those here specifically, and then I'll put whatever's left over in the cabinet in the living room. So yeah, I just like to have all the fall ones in the front so that, you know, it's just coordinating with the season. So yeah, these are the ones that I recently picked up, and you guys know I love marshmallow fireside and pumpkin pecan waffles. Those are like my two go-tos.
I just know things will never be the same, like strangers again. Like strangers again.
And I had my laptop out earlier because I was doing a little bit of work, so I just need to put that away. But this is the new table we got for the kitchen area, and I really, really love it. I love the wood aspects. I love the shape. I think it's really unique. So I actually got this from a place called White House Interiors, and yeah, it's just a really nice, unique table. I love it, love it, love it. So I'm just using a little Murphy oil that I put in a spray bottle to clean the table. I didn't really know how else to clean it. If you guys have any recommendations on how to clean a wood table, then definitely let me know. But I figured since Murphy oil is for wood, that would be a good way to clean it. So that's just what I'm doing for now, and it seems to be working.
Strangers.
And this is a new sofa we got in the play area. It's also from White House Interiors. I know you guys are probably thinking, girl, you are crazy. You have a white sofa in a kid's play area. Like, you're really crazy. But I scotch guarded really good. So hopefully we'll keep the stains away. We'll see how that goes. So I'm going ahead and cleaning his little table. I picked this up from Amazon. It's a lot better quality than the other one we had in here, which was kind of like a brownish black color. It just really didn't take to the cleanings really well. The color was rubbing off like every time I would clean it, but I like this because it's a glossy top. So yeah, I'm just putting everything back in its place. The rug is from Overstock, I do believe. I'll link it below. And the pillow covers, I got those from Etsy, so I'll also link those below as well. And I noticed there was a stain in the carpet, so I just got a damp microfiber towel, added a little bit of soap to it, and that got the stain right out. But I'm not really sure what it was, but yeah, just a little bit of soap and water got it out. And I really wanted to change up this little console table a little bit. I do get a few questions about where this is from, and I got it from a site called Home Decorators. I got it years ago. I've had this for probably about like 7-8 years. So I'm just cleaning it off, and now I'm about to start decorating. So these are the few pieces that I'm gonna be using in the kitchen. Like I told you guys, I just decided to keep it really simple, very neutral, very clean. I didn't want anything that was going to be too over the top. So I'm going to go ahead and redo this vase. I wanted to add a new kind of floral arrangement that would be more fall appropriate, and I got the little sticks from Hobby Lobby. Little pumpkin that I got from Walmart, and this candle holder is from TJ Maxx. The candle that I'm lighting is Bath & Body Works Leaves, which is another really great one for the fall season. And I'm gonna add these little pumpkins to the table. These are from At Home. They're super cute. They kind of have like this woven kind of texture on them. And the pillow that I'm adding to the sofa is from TJ Maxx. things to the console table in Uriah's play area. This sign is from TJ Maxx, and I love these little pumpkins. I got them from At Home, and I wanted to add a touch of glam just because I love the glam. And I got these candle holders from Home Goods, and I added 2 candles from TJ Maxx. And now I'm going to light Bath & Body Works pumpkin pecan waffles just to give me that overall fall mood. And now that everything is nice and clean and fall ready, I'm gonna vacuum over the floors. This is usually the last thing that I do just to make sure that I'm not missing anything, especially when I'm decorating, because you will just kind of have stuff fall in the floor, you know, glitter or whatever it may be. So I always like to make this the last step of my cleaning routine. And you guys might notice we don't currently have bar stools, but we're waiting on them. So yeah, I will show you guys like what everything looks like once we get all the new furniture. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Here's an overview of what I added. Like I told you guys, I didn't do too much. It's very neutral, very clean, but it definitely gives that touch of fall that I really love. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, then be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Leave a comment below and let me know what area you want to see me clean next. I probably will be doing the living room and the bedrooms for sure, and show you guys how I'm gonna decorate those spaces for fall. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I'll talk to you all in the next video. Bye.